Hey everybody, this is David Foss from MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island, where I'm standing aboard an in-stock 2027 Sea Ray SPX 210 boat. 21-foot boat, great bow rider from Sea Ray. We're going to do a quick walkthrough just to show you how this boat is equipped here in Wakefield, Rhode Island. So let's start on the back of the boat. We've got a Mercury 150 horsepower engine, plenty of power for all of your water sports. Great for pulling skiers, tubes, etc., and just for cruising around and having fun. One of the exceptional things that Sea Ray does is the interior layout. You'll see all of this ample seating. It's a really social layout, and in doing so, they have, a forward-facing passenger seat here on the side, which also flips back and creates a chase lounge or just more social space. Also, your captain's chair will spin around as well, so that everybody can be really social. Great layout. You'll notice that there's sea deck across the swim platform and all the way through, and then it blends into the infinity woven snap in and snap out flooring for making cleaning much easier. This is a black colored hull with the dune interior. Very attractive color combination, very sporty looking. Another feature that we really love about Sea Ray is the sportiness of their helm. So the captain here has a beautiful captain's chair, very comfortable with a flip up bolster. So if you want to sit up here and get a higher vantage point, you can see much better over the windshield. Or if you want to be protected behind the windshield, you can sit down in the seat. At the helm, we have our Simrad multifunction device. That is a screen, that's touch screen, that's color. It's going to have your charts for navigation, also your depth, multifunction device built right into the dash very attractively. We have our Fusion Bluetooth stereo that's also AM, FM, and we have charging ports and our Mercury binnacle with trim up and trim down. Also in this redesigned Sea Ray SPX 210, the curvature of the windshield looks very sporty, looks very nice. You have a lot more space on the companion side. Lockable glove box, storage underneath the console, and a traditional ski locker in the deck here. Also, if you look up into the bow, Sea Ray does a beautiful job with the seating layout. Notice that there's bolsters all the way around. So whether you're facing forwards or facing aft, you have a nice cushy backrest. And of course, speakers for everyone's entertainment. There's courtesy lights in this boat as well. So this is a super sporty, very fun, awesome boat for cruising around in Narragansett Bay and Rhode Island waters. Again, my name is David Foss. We are your local Sea Ray dealership here in Wakefield, Rhode Island. Please look us up on the internet if you'd like to come see this boat in person. We'd love to talk to you and show you the boat. Thank you very much.